Have you ever wondered if the moon hides more secrets than we can see from Earth? What if the strange patterns on its surface aren't just random marks? Could there be something happening beneath the lunar surface, something we've never imagined? For decades, astronomers have been fascinated by mysterious swirls scattered across the surface of the moon. Visible even through amateur telescopes, these formations stretch for hundreds of kilometers, reflecting sunlight in ways that set them apart from the surrounding lunar landscape. Despite extensive research, their origin remains unknown. These swirls are not simple surface phenomena, they correspond to unique magnetic anomalies, adding further intrigue to their presence. What makes these lunar swirls so fascinating is the lack of a clear explanation. For years, scientists have speculated about their cause, with theories ranging from the impacts of ancient meteorites to interactions with solar winds. Yet none of these hypotheses fully account for their peculiar shapes or behavior. Could something deeper be at play, something happening beneath the lunar crust that we can't yet observe directly? One of the leading ideas today suggests that these swirls may be linked to underground lava flows and magnetic fields that have shaped the moon's surface over millions of years. The theory posits that, as molten rock cooled beneath the surface, it may have interacted with localized magnetic fields, creating the swirling patterns we see today. But without definitive evidence, this remains just another piece of a much larger puzzle. What we do know is that these swirls are often found in regions with significant magnetic activity. Using data from NASA's missions, scientists have mapped these magnetic anomalies and discovered that they seem to coincide with the locations of the swirls. Each swirl has its own distinct shape, hinting that their formation may be linked to localized processes occurring deep within the moon. Yet, despite our advances in technology, no human or robotic explorer has set foot in these regions to study them up close. These unanswered questions have only deepened the mystery surrounding the lunar swirls. While scientists continue to search for clues from afar, the true nature of these formations remains out of reach, for now. In recent years, a new scientific theory has emerged to explain the mysterious lunar swirls: underground magma. Scientists propose that beneath the moon's surface, lava once flowed and cooled in the presence of localized magnetic fields, leading to the creation of these unique patterns. This theory has gained traction as researchers have shifted their focus to a mineral called ilmenite, abundant on the moon's surface. Ilmenite, containing weak magnetic properties, has become the center of attention. When exposed to lunar conditions, it reacts by forming magnetizable particles. This reaction could explain the magnetic anomalies found at the swirls' locations. In laboratory experiments, smaller grains of ilmenite produced stronger magnetic fields, suggesting that underground magma flows rich in titanium may have influenced the swirl formation. While the findings are promising, scientists acknowledge that more data is needed to confirm this theory. Further exploration is necessary, particularly samples from the regions with these anomalies. However, without direct exploration of these lunar regions, the theory remains speculative. NASA's upcoming missions, including the Lunar Vertex, are expected to shed more light on these mysterious formations. As technology advances and exploration resumes, scientists are hopeful that we may soon have the evidence needed to solve the mystery of the lunar swirls once and for all. NASA and other space agencies are working hard to unlock the secrets of the moon's mysterious swirls. One of the most anticipated efforts is NASA's upcoming Lunar Vertex mission, scheduled to launch soon. This mission aims to send a rover to the moon to explore Reiner Gamma, one of the most famous lunar swirls, which has been a focus of intrigue for scientists. Lunar Vertex will attempt to study the surface and magnetic anomalies of Reiner Gamma more closely, using advanced technology to analyze its structure and composition. The mission's objective is to determine if the swirl patterns are indeed linked to underground magma or if other unknown factors are at play. While the swirls themselves are a mystery, they hold the potential to reveal important information about the moon's geologic and magnetic history. With the data collected by the rover, researchers hope to confirm or rule out current theories, such as the idea that subterranean magma flows or ancient meteorite impacts might have shaped these structures. For now, we remain on the edge of a new chapter in lunar exploration. The discoveries made during Lunar Vertex could revolutionize our understanding of not just the moon, but the dynamics of celestial bodies across the solar system. Until then, the lunar swirls remain one of the moon's greatest unsolved mysteries. Whenever mysterious phenomena like the lunar swirls emerge, it's inevitable that conspiracy theories will follow. While scientists have proposed magma flows or magnetic anomalies as explanations, some people believe these marks are evidence of something far more dramatic: secret alien bases, hidden lunar civilizations, or undisclosed military operations. One popular theory suggests that these swirls are artificial, created by advanced extraterrestrial technology, possibly camouflaging structures beneath the lunar surface. Proponents of this theory point to the swirls' highly geometric patterns and the fact that they haven't been fully explained as evidence that we're not being told the whole truth. Another conspiracy speculates that the Apollo missions discovered more than they revealed to the public. Could it be that astronauts encountered signs of intelligent life or underground bases that were later covered up? According to some, the presence of these magnetic anomalies might be linked to energy sources used by non-human entities that NASA is allegedly keeping secret. The idea of hidden lunar bases feeds into a larger belief that governments and space agencies are hiding knowledge about extraterrestrial life. Proponents argue that, without concrete evidence from the lunar swirls and given NASA's hesitance to explore them further in past missions, it's suspicious that the investigation has been so slow. What are they waiting for? However, these theories often rely on a lack of information or misunderstood scientific data. While the origins of the lunar swirls remain a mystery, experts caution against jumping to conclusions without solid evidence. The scientific community continues to search for answers, but for many conspiracy theorists, the idea that something more is going on will persist until definitive proof emerges. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the moon, it becomes clear that every new discovery raises even more questions. The lunar swirls are a reminder of how much remains unknown about our closest celestial neighbor. Theories of underground magma and magnetic fields offer tantalizing hints, but they are far from complete answers. Until future missions provide concrete evidence, we are left to wonder, what else could be hiding beneath the surface of the moon? The moon has long been a symbol of mystery, inspiring myths, legends, and now modern scientific inquiry. As technology advances, we stand on the brink of uncovering the moon's deepest secrets, from its magnetic anomalies to its hidden geological history. With upcoming missions like Lunar Vertex, we may soon have the chance to gather the data we need to solve these ancient riddles. But in the meantime, these unexplained phenomena spark the imagination and fuel both scientific curiosity and wild speculation. What can we learn from this ongoing quest? That the process of exploration itself is as important as the answers we seek. The moon, with its unexplained swirls and anomalies, represents the frontier of discovery, where the known and the unknown collide. As we push forward into this new era of space exploration, it's a reminder that, in science, the journey often holds as much value as the destination. Now it's your turn. What do you think lies beneath the lunar surface? Do you believe the scientists are on the right track, or do you think there's something more mysterious at play? Share your thoughts in the comments and join the conversation. And if you're as fascinated by the moon's mysteries as we are, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the cosmos. Let's explore the unknown together.